it's finally gonna happen. I'm putting these headlights in, and they're gonna look so much better than the factory candle power. Now, I know I've been saying I wanted to install these for a while, but I just didn't get a chance to get around to doing it. I hate wiring. Maybe these batteries that are hooked up to it will last a little while longer, so I don't even have to wire them up. But who knows? The only way to find out is to do it, right? So I'll speed things up and you follow along. Okay, one more thing.
Oh, there is just one more thing, Lieutenant.
The taillights. They were laying down on the ground over there behind some of the piles of stuff I took off this truck. But we'll get those installed and then we'll do a walk around video. Let me tell you about these headlights. And how much I hate wiring / installing LEDs. They're not plug and play. I was lied to. No. What I had to do after speaking with my esteemed colleague, Calvin, I had to unpin them and switch them around a little bit so they all would work. But let me tell you, they're bright. They're super bright. Pretty impressive. Not gonna lie, a little futuristic if you would. But anyways, they work. They work properly. They work as they should. Tail lights, they're working. It's spectacular. This old farm truck cleaned up pretty good. And I will post a little walk around video and you guys enjoy. Well, it's finished. And now we can party.
Let's party.
This old farm truck cleaned up pretty nice. I know it took a week, and I really appreciate your patience in following along, but let me walk you through and show you what I did to it. So, try to touch up on a little bit of everything that was accomplished on the old farm truck build. New shocks, new tires, the wipe-on clear coat patina saver from Vice Grip Garage, new tail lights, awesome tag, cleaned up the bed, chrome trim, new windows, regulators, motors, whatever, window sweeps. Look at the pride and joy. The interior. Got that cattle blanket seat cover. Dome light. The dome light cover, that's optional in this model. Got a new dash pad cover. Solid as Sears. Which, I guess they're not so solid anymore. The carpet smells brand new in here. Check out those gauges. All shiny and new. Telling you what's going on. I guess you can say it's pretty engaging. The door switches. Now that windshield, we're still getting that taken care of. I can't fix that. I'm not that cool. And then that engine bay. Let's brush up on that real quick. Could use a little more horsepower, a little more torquing, a little more tweaking, a little more twerking, if you would. But it's not bad. Pretty nice from what it was. But with that being said, stay tuned for the next build.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.